Hello friends, welcome to Unreal Blueprints video tutorials series. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss Append Node in Unreal Blueprint. Append Node is used to create a new string by combining multiple strings together. What Append Node does? It combines multiple strings together. It concatenates multiple strings together. It appends multiple strings together and returns a new string, guys. Let's have a demo and understand Append Node. I want to display my first name and last name. My first name is Manjunath, last name is Chidre. I go to level blueprint here, right click and search for Append Node. String append. Right click and say here print string. Connect the execution pins. On event begin play, print string is executed. Here in the Append Node, A value I give Manjunath, B value I give Chidre, okay, and return value I connect to in string. So what it returns? It returns a new string which is concatenation of A plus B, Manjunath, Chidre combined together. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see it has displayed Manjunath, Chidre. But if you observe, there is no space between Manjunath and Chidre. There is no space between first name and last name. I want to add a space. So for that, what I can do, I am going to add a pin. Here I am going to give a space, B value space, C value I give Chidre. Now we get the combination of Manjunath space and Chidre. All these three strings are combined and return. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see now we got Manjunath space Chidre. Like that we can add more pins, guys, just by clicking on this add pin button. If you want to remove the pin, just right click and say remove pin. Right click and say remove pin, guys. You can add more pins or remove also. Okay, here directly we are writing the text here, right? First name and last name we are entering. We can combine variables also. Combine first name and last name variables of type string. So what I do here, I am going to create one variable called first name of type string. I create one more variable called last name of type string, and then I say compile. First name I give here value Manjunath, last name I give value Chidre. Now what we can do, we can get the first name, we can get the last name. Two variables are combined now, right? So first name Manjunath, then space, then last name Chidre. Compile, save. If I come back and play, we get the same output, Manjunath space Chidre. Play, you see we got Manjunath space Chidre displayed, right? So you can combine the variables also. Let's take one more example. Let's say I want to display player score :0, player health :100. I want to display player score and player health, guys. Now I'm going to delete this. Okay, I delete these two variables. Here let's say I have a variable called score of type integer, which I am using to manage the player score. Okay, assume. Compile, initially score will be 0. I create one more variable called health, HEALTH health, which we are going to use to manage the player health. Compile, and initial value 100. Now how do we display player score :0, player health :100? First A value I give here player score : when I say player score : these two are empty. Okay, B is empty. I can remove this pin. So B is empty. Player score : is displayed, guys. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see player score : is displayed. Now I want to display the score here. Very simple. Get the score and give it to B. Okay, give it to B. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You see it is displaying player score : and the value of score, which is 0, right? The value of score is what? 0, converting this integer to string. Okay, next I say plus. What I want to display? I want to display comma and space. After that again I add a pin, and here I say PLAYER, player space HEALTH health : Now if I say compile, save, come to level 1 and play, it displays player score :0, space player health : After that I can simply display the health. So how? Add another pin, drag the health, get health and give it to E here, right? Health is 100, you can see that. Compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You can see it has displayed player score 0, player health 100. Like this, you can use append node to combine multiple strings together and create a new string, guys, and return and use it wherever it requires. And one more point you can remember here is shift enter used to move text to the new line, guys. Shift plus enter used to move text to the new line. Like for example here, player score 0, player health 100 is getting displayed on this line, right? I can move this entire thing to the new line or the next line by using shift enter. So before this player score, okay, I say shift enter, compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You can see that entire line is moved to the next line. I want to display player health colon 100 on the next line. So what I can do, before the player health, I say shift enter, compile, save, come to level 1 and play. You can see now the player health is displayed on the next line, guys. So you can use shift enter to move the content to the next line, guys. So that is all about append node, guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood. I suggest you people to try this yourself, experiment. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about Unreal blueprints. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.